So I am out here at Avon Park Executive Airport, Avon Park, Florida. It's like south of Orlando. I'm here with an affiliate of Aviator PPG. It's the second day. Like literally the first day we just straight up came down here, started kiting immediately. Bruh. Super dope, already doing reverse kiting, which is pretty hard because the controls are backwards. It's like flying a plane at you line of sight. So like left is right and right is left. Learning how to turn around. I've already done like lean backs on the motor. Where you basically like have power on and you lean back and like kind of feel the power. I don't know, it's super crazy. It's moving really quickly and it's clicking for me. A lot of other guys it's clicking as well. We're learning all different types of kiting techniques. Like, again, this is the second day. We're talking about maybe doing our first flights tomorrow, which would be the third day. So having no paramotor experience or even kiting or full-scale aviation experience whatsoever. And now, like, I'm about to possibly fly solo tomorrow, as in my third day here.
Faster, a little bit of throttle, a little more throttle, run faster, a little more throttle, run faster, full throttle, pressure, just little more pressure, hold everything right there, good, slowly ease up out of that pressure, let the glider accelerate, good.
Alright, now I want you to look right and then lean right real hard weight shift. We're just going to do a weight shift turn. Your hands are in your lap. Okay. A little bit of right pressure. A little one forward.
Was it scary? Awesome. Were you guys scared? I was a little scared.
As far as first flights go, that's pretty good.
Alright.
It's not a bad first flight. And every single one now will be, oh my gosh, it's getting easier and easier and easier and easier.
It's like day 4 now. Well, I'm actually flying my body versus just flying FPV. I haven't flown FPV in a couple days, but I've learned how to go from literally knowing nothing to doing my first flight yesterday, like legitimate. Picked off the ground, flew twice, took off and landed. It's crazy how like fast everything went. Like started Friday, 3 days later, did my first flight, went very well, like no mishaps. The launch was a little bit, like I just was scared to really full throttle because I weigh 125 pounds and these motors are 200 cc and they provide a lot of thrust. But hopefully tonight we'll get some more flights. And I'm just having an overall fantastic experience. This whole training program is super thorough, and they really want to teach you how to do it and like get you comfortable enough to where you want to continue to do it, I guess, and then kind of talk to you about what you can and can't do and what airspaces you can fly in, what you can't fly in, what you should do, what weather you should be looking out for to be flying in. There's just a lot of encompassed information within this training program it's crazy. I've done a lot of classes in my day, and this is like I've taken a bunch of NOLS classes, and NOLS is like held at a huge standard of reputability in the community of outdoor training programs, and this is like the NOLS of PPG. Like, it's very thorough, very well structured, and the instructors love what they do, and it really shows in the students progressing quickly because they're not just being yelled at, they're actually being shown, being taught. They let you figure stuff out when you need to figure stuff out, and they show you little tricks and tips when you need it. I don't know, I'm excited. It's pretty sick. I'm excited to use this, like strap quads to myself and then fly somewhere, and then fly quads from where I flew my PPG from my van that I've been traveling the country in. So it's gonna be dope. I'd just like to thank Aviator PPG and Four Winds PPG for everything. All these guys are killing it. Phenomenal pilots, and they're showing us the ropes, and thank you guys. Yeah, you're fucked. You're fucked now. That's gonna be in there for a month. Oh yeah. No wind.
As you're inflating, if I ask for a little bit of power, that's just to help pull it up, push, and get the glider up. Yeah. Okay, clear prop.
God, almost died. Gotta get some fuel. Getting fuel, getting fuel, getting fuel, getting fuel, getting fuel. What's up? Bleep, bleep. This black thing can. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah, that's nice.
What do we do it for?